Saturday, 25th December, Christmas 2021. And the temperature is minus 28 degrees Celsius, but it feels like minus 36 degrees Celsius with extreme cold warning in Calgary. Today I am at the center street to show you guys how in this extreme cold weather how people live their life and do their everyday work. Even though it's a Christmas day, everything is closed in Calgary, I think. And let's go. All around is smoke and the roads become the black ice. You can see the road is white and it's become black ice, and look at all the smoke from the all high-rise building. And look, someone is working actually in this Christmas day and during this weather condition in outside. So sad. And the Calgary Transit is providing us the service which is very great in Christmas day. I'm covering my face because it's extreme cold warning and the frost bite warning, so it might be get frostbite within 2-3 minutes. That's why I'm covering my face. Maybe my sound is not clear and I try to talk less in this video because I'm covering my face. Oh, this one is open right now, restaurant in Christmas. And today was all day sunny weather. It's very hard to find people walk on the street in this weather. It's slippery. no one on the street right now. I am the only person is walking on the street and try to show you guys in the extreme weather Calgary life in Christmas Day. Maybe I don't think it will be that much quiet, but I think because of the Christmas Day, people are spending their time with their loved ones. It's the 11th Avenue. Look at the neighborhood. Should I walk in the neighborhood? Okay, it's 11th. The intersection is 11th Avenue Northeast and Center Street Northeast. This is how looks like the neighborhood during this extreme cold weather with tons of snow. The roadside condition is pretty bad actually. It's so bad. It's snow here. I'm not making the video that much long. I make regular. I try to try to do a short video because it's very cold outside and I don't want to stay more than 15 minutes outside because it's a warning too for the human that if you are not traveling with car, so you should careful about yourself and don't stay outside if you are not well prepared with your jacket, boots is not more than 10 to 15 minutes, because your brain might get frost and you might get the frostbite also. So everyone who are watching my video, I don't know from where, from all around the Canada, outside of Canada. So if you are planning to move in Calgary, before you planning to move in Calgary in winter, you have to buy a heavy duty jacket which is up to minus 45, and a very good winter boot. Before you buy your winter boots, first you should check like how much like it will support like minus 20 to minus 45. It should. I'm so surprised that no one is outside. I looks like a crazy right now that I'm walking on the cold weather alone. You can see the public transportation is not the frequent in this Christmas day. But so many cars on the road. Oh my god, that's a very cool thing. Did you guys notice? You can get what, live what. So there is a food here. So if you need something here, you're hungry or you need food, you can collect the food from here. It's a Calgary community freeze here. Should I open the freeze? Okay, let's open the freeze. Wow, that's the freeze. The roadside, and there is plenty of breads and some other food here, which is, oh, there is another fridge here. Is almost empty. Here also is bread. Wow, that's a very, very nice thing. And here is a very good graffiti about food, vegetables. It's a sign. Thank you, community. It's a very good initiative for people. Look at this colorful building here. They clean pretty well the sidewalk. Oh, and thank you guys, and enjoy your holidays with your loved ones. Stay warm, take care.